Hello, boys and girls. It's me, Mrs. Magnus. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this. Hello. So I just wanted to do this math video so that you guys can kind of follow along. You can pause when you're starting to work through a problem. Whatever is best for you, you can sure do that, okay? And if you don't need this, that's great too. But if you need it, please make sure that you follow along. Okay, so at the bottom of your page today, it says, I can solve 1- and 2-step word problems using the 4 operations. So, 2-step problems we've done before, 1-step problems we've done before. But you might have a question on where it says, using the 4 operations. So, let's talk about the 4 operations. The 4 operations are, if you can't remember this, I'm just going to go ahead and let you know what they are. The 4 operations, I'm going to do a different color. We're going to do addition, subtraction, division, or multiplication. So that's what they mean by the 4 operations on the bottom of your paper. So make sure, third graders too, before you start working on this page, that you're working on 4-29-20, okay? Word problems. So here, let's go through the first one, and then I'm going to let you guys do the rest on your own, okay? So it says Jeremy has 21 baseball cards, 14 football cards, and 5 baseball cards. If he puts all his cards into 4 books, how many cards will fit in each book? So if you guys remember in class, we worked on these 2-step problems, and I had you guys highlight the first step and then the second step, right? So if you have a highlighter at home, go ahead and pause this for a minute and grab your highlighter and then follow along, okay? So the first step is going to be Jeremy has 21 baseball cards, 14 football cards, and 5 basketball cards. So that's going to be your first step, because what do you need to do with 21, 14, and 5? What do you need to do with those 3 numbers? I'm going to give you a second. And if you said that you're going to add them all up, you are correct. Good. So you're going to have 21. Nope. Try that again. So you're going to have 21 plus 14 plus 5. Good. Now, I like to line my numbers up when I'm adding them. So I'm going to go ahead and do it over here on the side. So we've got 21, 14, and 5, right? So we've got 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 5 more is 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 1 more is 4. So 40, right? Now, are we done? And I really hope you said, no, we've only just begun. That's usually what we say, right? Then you're going to highlight your second sentence, right? Or your second step, because this is a 2-step problem. Now, we have 40 cards total. 40 cards total. Now, it says how many cards will fit in each book. So I did 40 divided by, and then what do you think I'm going to divide that by? How many books do we have? If you said 4, you're right. 4 equals. Okay, so remember we said division is multiplication backwards. So we've got what times 4 will give us 10. One more time. What times 4 will give you 10. So if you said 10, you are correct. Very good. So 10 what? 10 cards. Perfect. Okay, good. So the first one's done for you guys. So the rest of them you're going to have to do on your own. But I will, however, read them to you and kind of get you started. So Bridget has 5 packages of balloons. Okay, they're trying to trick you in this one. Don't let them. Each with 6 balloons. She opens one package and gives her sister 3 balloons. How many balloons does Bridget have? Okay, I'm going to tell you this, guys. You've got some hidden information in here. They're trying to trick you. Don't let them. And it is a two-step problem. Okay. Then I'm going to pull my screen up just a little bit. And then the next one says, a movie theater sold 379 tickets to the Amazing Spider-Man 2 movie. Ooh, that sounds fun. And of those, 192 were children's tickets. The rest were adult tickets. How many fewer adult ticketers were sold than children's tickets? Okay, again, looks like it's going to be a two-stepper. Highlight, and then get started. All right, last one. Matthew has 2 packages, each with 6 batteries. Okay, he uses 4 of the batteries in a flashlight. How many batteries are left? So just to remind you guys, again, there's some hidden information in this one, and it's a two-step problem. So highlight the first step, highlight the second step, do your first step, your equation, do your second step equation, and then get your answer. Make sure to label, right? That's what I would make you do in class. All right, that's it for today's lesson. If you guys have any questions, please make sure that your parents text me. I will Zoom with you if you need extra help, and I hope to hear from you soon. Talk to you later, guys. Have a great day.